Welcome back, my amazing learners. Today I'm going to talk to you about a reading challenge, or should I say, reading challenges, because I've prepared more than one for you. Now, a reading challenge is when you push yourself, you motivate yourself to read a certain number of books, whether they are in print, meaning you can touch them, they're physical books, or they might be digital books where you read them on your Amazon Fire or on your Samsung tablet or online, or you listen to them. It doesn't matter. The point is this, children, you need to read more because we know that reading enhances our vocabulary, enhances our comprehension skills. Reading is fundamental. So I've placed quite a few reading challenges on the website for you guys. The link is in the description box below, or you can just type into Google Happy Faces Academy sites. If you are a Jamaican, you can join the Jamaica Library Service. I've linked that down below for you too. For those of you who like to plan, to write out your list and plan what you're going to do, just like me, you can make a list of all the stories, comic books, magazines that you plan to read, graphic novels, whatever it is. If you want to even add movies into that too, or cartoons, you can do that. So a to be read pile or a TBR is just a list of what you plan to read. Now, here are some examples of books that you can do on your own. You can do drawing books on your own, borrow those at the public library. You can borrow copies of the National Geographic. You can borrow stories about children who love mathematics, children who love reading, whatever it is available for you at your local library. Then you have storybooks like Beach Day, The Emperor's New Clothes, A Bad Case of Stripes by David Shannon, one of my personal favorites. I love that story so much. Now, for those of you who can't make it out to the local library, you can always just subscribe to this channel, hit that little bell for notifications for every time I upload a video, whether it's a read aloud or some other educational or entertaining video just for you. Then we have audiobooks. Audiobooks are wonderful. You just listen to it just like how mommy and daddy might listen to the radio or have some music playing in the background, children. There are audiobooks for you. I will list a few different links in the description box so that you can access it or ask mommy or daddy to help you access it. Then remember that it's not like regular school face to face where you can just come up to me and speak to me. No, we are all online. So to speak up and ask for help, you can email me or you can comment below in the YouTube under the YouTube video and I will reply to you. Write it down. You can write down your questions, children, anything that you have, and then the next time you see me, you can just whip out all your list of questions and we will go through them one by one. Finally, children, reading daily can be difficult, but it's definitely achievable. I know that some of you are so busy playing, enjoying yourself, that you forget sometimes that reading can also be enjoyable. So happy reading, and I will see you in the next video.